is matching activity and Mohammed's going to match farm animals' heads and tail. Let's open it, Mohammed. So Mohammed got one side heads, all the heads of the farm animals, and another side tails. So Mohammed, let's start matching heads and tails. This is
Mouse.
okay. You need to search the tail of the mouse now. Oh, you got it. Let's match it.
All done.
Show me. Well done, Mohammed. And this is?
Cat.
Now you need to find the tail. Quick, quick, quick.
Ta-da!
Oh, you got the tail.
Massive.
Well done. And this is?
Horse.
Horse. Let's find the tail.
Yeah. Fight him here. Ta-da!
Well done, Mohammed.
Thank you.
Mohammed got mouse,
One.
cat,
1, 2,
and horse.
3.
Mohammed, what does the mouse say?
Sweet.
And cat.
Meow.
And what does the horse say?
Nine.
Neigh. Well done. And this is?
Sheep.
Sheep. Let's find the tail.
Ta-da!
Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Let's match it.
Yeah, I all done.
Well done, Mohammed. And what does the sheep say?
Ba.
And this is?
Duck.
Duck. Let's find the tail. Quick, quick, quick.
Yes. Ta-da!
Well done. Let's join it.
Yes.
Well done.
Thank
What
you.
does the duck say, Mohammed?
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Well done. What is this?
Cows.
Let's find the tail.
Yes. Ta-da!
Well done, Mohammed. Let's match it. Wow. And what does the cow say? Moo. Like this. Moo. And this is
Chickens.
chicken.
Let's find him here. I found him here.
Oh, you found it.
Yes.
And what does the chicken say?
Cluck, cluck.
Well done. And this is
Dog.
dog. Let's find the tail of the dog.
Yes.
Oh, you got it. Well done. What does the dog say?
Woof.
Woof, 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 woof.
Woof.
And this is
Goat.
goat. Let's match the tail.
Yes.
You got it.
Yeah.
And this is the last one. And this is
Pigs.
pig. What does the pig say?
Oink, oink.
Oink, 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 oink. Well done, Mohammed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so you got 10 farm animals. Mohammed, what's the sound of this mouse? Cat,
Said meow meow.
horse,
Nay nay nay.
sheep,
Ba ba ba.
duck,
Quack quack quack.
cow, chicken,
Cluck 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 cluck.
Dog.
Woof woof.
goat,
Ma ma ma.
and the last one is pig.
Oink 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 oink. Thank you for